everyone. I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I have a real fun project to show you today. Did you know that you can stamp on candles? Well, sort of. Anyway, this is one that I did in class last week, and I was showing different things. So this is one of them, and then it looks kind of different because I just was trying out different things. So you can do different colors, different designs, and it's really simple to do. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Here's all the supplies you'll need. A candle and some tissue paper, a heat tool, and you need some ink and a stamp set. And this is optional if you want to tie a ribbon on it. So I'm going to use Stars at Night. Want to try this really big star and have a sentiment on the other side. So let me ink this up with Night of Navy. Put it on some tissue paper. And then I'm going to just cut it out because I don't quite want this much tissue paper around it. I'm going to lay it on my candle, get it just like I want it, and then I've just torn a piece of wax paper that I'm going to lay over it, and I'm going to hold it on the back side tightly. So I'm just hanging onto the wax paper like this, and I'm going to turn on my heat tool and just watch. So you can kind of see the tissue paper disappearing in there. I think I got all of it because I can't really see the tissue paper. Just remove your wax paper. And there's my star. Isn't that neat? Let me stamp something for the back side. I'm going to do a sentiment. This is also from the Stars at Night. I'm going to stamp it also in Night of Navy. And I'll cut it out now. So I'm just going to place it right on the back and try to make sure it's straight. Use the same tissue paper. Okay, and I can't see any of the tissue paper under that anymore. And there you go. Isn't that pretty? So this and this, I'm going to add some kind of bling. I think I like the ones with more color, you know, like this a little bit better. But I was just trying something different. And let me put a jewel. This is adhesive back speckled dots. And we have so many pretty embellishments, it doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to put this in the middle. And the last thing that's optional that I could do is some ribbon. That's one of the reasons I chose Night of Navy, is because I've got this gorgeous Night of Navy gold sparkly ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? So this is another really nice ribbon, but you can tell I'm out of it almost. And this one's called Silver and White Sheer Ribbon that I need to just get more of. But let me see. My friend Linda taught me a neat way to do the ribbon, if I can remember. I think it was basically, yeah, crossed over like that. You can see how it does that in the back. Oops, does that. It's pretty. And then sorry, it's not exactly where I want it. To mess around with the ribbon a bit. Let me see. So I think it looks really pretty over there, and I didn't especially want the star to be covered up so much, so kind of put it together. So there you go. What do you guys think? I think you should give it a try. It's a real fun project, and it would make a nice gift. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Aloha.